In this video, I'm going to show you a very powerful system that will enable you to make unstoppable $10 payments and get unlimited free traffic. If you click the link in the video description below, you can also get a free step-by-step guide. Here I'm just going to show you what this money making system is and a basic understanding of how it works. So when you sign up, you have to pay a one-time fee of $19 to get a lifetime login ad. This login ad will be shown to your referrals every time they log in, and also to other random members of the system. To make the unstoppable $10 payments, you need to refer just 2 other people. $10 goes to your sponsor and $9 is an admin fee. So 2 qualified sales, in other words, 2 other people you refer go directly to your sponsor. After this, make just 1 more sale and you don't need to do anything else ever again, because their 2 referrals pay directly to you and 2 people under them also pay directly to you, and so on forever. As you can see in the chart here, there's you, there's your 2 referrals, and their 2 referrals, and their 2 referrals, and so on and so on and so on, indefinitely deep. And this is just one leg, but if you start more legs, then your income will just multiply with each leg. So that covers the unstoppable $10 payments, but what about the free unlimited traffic? Well, as I mentioned earlier, if you click the link in the video description below, you can get a free step-by-step guide. This training guide will show you how to sign up for the system, which you probably know by now is called Easy Cash for Ads, and also how to get free targeted traffic on a daily basis. You can also copy the free step-by-step guide and put your own affiliate links in it to give to your referrals. Easy Cash for Ads have many ways that you can promote your affiliate links. Besides the standard affiliate links, they have 2 sections based on your experience of internet marketing. So the I am new to online marketing section contains printable flyers that you can post around various places. This is a pretty effective way to advertise offline. This is not my first rodeo section. Contains a lot more promotional materials like splash pages, banners, and even an email swipe. You'll be shown how to use these most effectively in the free step-by-step training guide. Just click the link in the video description below and enter your name and best email to get it. you can make unstoppable $10 payments and get unlimited free traffic by paying just $19 one time, and this will set you up for life.